Hello viewers, welcome to Drive and Fish. Today in this video, I'm going to unbox a fake JBL wireless Bluetooth headphones from an unknown online seller. Before we unbox, let us look at the box. And I feel the box looks good as genuine. And however, let's not decide by the way the box is. And these are all the specifications written on the box. Now let's open it. Wow, this has got nice magnetic lock. This is our wireless headphone case, and this looks pretty much good. And before we open this, let's see what's there in the box. It's a decent cardboard box. Let's see what is inside this. Okay, it's the charging cable. There's a small booklet inside. It must be user manual. Yes. It says it is compatible with iOS and Android device. However, I tried to pair it with my Windows PC and it's working fine. And there's a small foam inside to protect this headphone from getting damaged. And that's all in the box. So come on, now let's see what's inside the case. And to open, it's very simple. All you need to do is push it from the left and it pops out from the right, and you can see these two ear plugs. And sometimes these things get struck, that's the only problem that I find. And sometimes it's difficult to open, or when you're closing, sometimes it just gets struck. And apart from that, this is pretty decent. And the material that they have used to make this is of premium quality, and it's good for this. And it has got some touch sensors to answer the phone call or to reject it. And regarding the battery life, it gives roughly 4 to 5 hours of continuous playback, and it has got a built-in charging power bank, and that's good for this price range. And regarding the durability, I haven't done any durability test on this, and I'm not going to comment on that. And one last thing is, I tried to find this model on JBL's online portal and I couldn't find it there. And in case you find it, you can post a link in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button, and if you like this video, you can click the like button. And thanks for watching this video. Until then, see you. Bye.